This is day one of just Friday, October 7th of 2016. And it's about a little after 4 p.m. So it's I'm in here in Palm Coast, Florida, and this is the garage. This is Hurricane Matthew, and I'm trying to. I'm gonna have to walk close. All right. Well, I'm gonna show the world about what Hurricane Matthew looks like. So I'm not exactly sure when it'll hit here, but it's probably gonna be. It's probably gonna hit the south about sometime tomorrow. Maybe I have no idea because it slows down sometimes. But tomorrow, or the next day, but probably tomorrow, and the winds will pick up, and every tree will be moving, and not just the one near the garage. But violent wind. Hurricane Matthew's all about the gusts. Okay, I'll see you on day 2. Do this again for a couple more days or so. Somebody's out and about, and my neighbor's cars are still